Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by entering macOS Recovery now. If you have an Apple Silicon Mac, shut down and hold the power button until the startup options appear, then choose Options. If you're on an Intel Mac, restart and hold Command-R as it boots. You do this to access macOS Utilities for repair, reinstall, or restore tasks. Once done, make sure your Mac shows the Utilities window. That confirms you've reached the recovery environment and are ready for the next steps. Once the Utilities window appears, pick the tool you need and act deliberately. Start with Disk Utility to run first aid on your drive. Repairing core volume errors prevents reinstall failures. If installing macOS, choose Reinstall macOS and follow prompts. This preserves your data when possible. For advanced fixes, open Terminal to run commands or start up Security Utility to adjust firmware options. You do this because targeted utilities minimize. To finish, quit the Utilities apps and choose Restart or Shut Down so changes take effect. If you reinstalled, follow on-screen setup. If you need files, select Restore from Time Machine and pick the appropriate backup. If something fails, try Internet Recovery. Option Command-R or hold power for Apple Silicon, then Internet Recovery or boot into safe mode to isolate issues. Make sure your network is stable. If problems persist, note error messages and contact Apple support for guided diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.